Hey G-Squad, welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode of this cool missing part right here, and basically what this is a collapsible, foldable hamper, and use this like a laundry bag, and it is foldable. If you can see, when you guys fold it up, this is basically what the product looks like, which is pretty cool. And another cool thing about the product is the fact that the material that they use on here, it is a mesh layer. So that way the product gives you guys room to breathe, especially when you guys just finish drying your clothes and it's really hot. That way the actual product can cool down. So for this product, they actually give you guys a set of 2 of these, and they actually have these in different colors. I got the blue one, but they got in like black and some other colors as well. And they mentioned how the product can hold up to a full load of laundry if you guys want to, which is pretty cool. But first thing first, I'm actually open our product to show you guys what is actually included inside and how to use the product. Alright. So when we take out the product, you can see that this is basically what it looks like. So it's definitely really cool how they provide you guys 2 of these. So that way you guys can use one for dirty clothes and one for clean clothes. So since both of them are the same thing, I'm just gonna open one of them right here to show you guys what it actually looks like and how to use it. Alright, so what we're gonna do is take off the strap right here first and let it open. If you guys can see, it opens by itself. And then once you guys finish opening up this part right here, you guys wanna open up this part right here. Alright, so once you guys fully open the product, you can see that this is basically what it looks like. So they definitely have the bottom protection layer there to support all the clothes that's put inside. But throughout the product on the side, you can see that it is a mesh material, which is pretty nice. And they do have this little compartment where you can put extra stuff here if you guys want to as well. And top part is where you can put stuff inside. And right here is the little handles that you use to carry around, which is pretty cool. But obviously for this strap option right here, this is the one you guys want to use to strap out the product and put it back together. But you definitely see that this is basically what the overall product looks like. It definitely looks pretty cool. It definitely has a very strong frame right here to hold up the product on the side right here and throughout each 4 corners as well. Alright, so you see right here we have our laundry bag set right here. And the reason why I put it here is so that way every single time once I finish showering, I can throw my dirty clothes on here and I just roll it into the washer to wash it. And then when I'm done using it, I can either use this one or I can use the other one that they provide for us to actually get the clean clothes and fold it back up. But you definitely see the actual product is super spacious and definitely put a lot of clothes on here. Like that's probably like 3 or 4 days of clothes, and I still have a lot of room to put stuff if I want to right here. If I look at the side-by-side comparison between this trash can that we have right here versus this one right here, it's very, very big. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys fully set it up. Let me actually show you guys how to close it back up. So you just want to go like this, fold it that way, and you just want to twirl this part right here, just like this. And you guys want to use the strap option to close it back up like this. And then you guys are all set. So you see the whole process of opening up the product and closing it is very straightforward and very easy to use. But never see how big the product is. So if you guys want to put a lot of clothes on here, you definitely can. It actually can support like a full load of clothes if you guys want to, and probably even more if you guys saw how big the bag is. And I especially love the fact of how compact the product is once you guys fold it up. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we're unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product in particular, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially if you guys are trying to look for a strong portable laundry bag that you can use for both dry and wet clothes. Then you can definitely get one of these right here. So it does give you guys a set of 2 of them. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.